5. Creative, tasty ways to enjoy green tea. 1. Green tea with lemon and honey. Brew your green tea, bagged or loose leaf, at a lower temperature, ideally 170–185 degrees, for about 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Stir in a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey. Vitamin C in lemon boosts antioxidant absorption. Honey adds a comforting sweetness. This combo is immune supportive and perfect for soothing sips. 2. Matcha latte, hot or iced. Whisk a teaspoon of high-quality matcha powder into hot water, then blend with warm milk, dairy or plant-based. Sweeten lightly if you like. Creamy, energizing, and rich in antioxidants like EGCG. Turn it into an iced version by shaking with ice or blending into a smoothie. 3. Green tea smoothie. Cool your brewed green tea, or use ice-cold matcha. Then blend with banana, berries, mango, or even spinach and kale. It's a nutrient-packed breakfast or post-workout beverage. Refreshing, hydrating, and antioxidant-rich. 4. Spiced or iced green tea. Infusions, spiced variation. Add ginger, cinnamon, or cardamom directly while brewing. These spices enhance flavor and aid digestion. Iced version. Steep tea in cold water overnight and infuse with mint, cucumber, lemon slices, or apple for a light, detox-style drink throughout the day. 5. Japanese-style chizuke, ochazuke. A savory way to enjoy green tea. Pour hot brewed tea over cooked rice, then top with grilled salmon, pickled plum, seaweed, scallions, furikake, or sesame seeds. This comforting dish turns leftover tea and rice into a nourishing umami meal. Why these variations work so well. Health benefits. Green tea's EGCG, polyphenols, and antioxidants support heart health, metabolism, brain function, and may improve insulin sensitivity. Add-ins like lemon, ginger, or mint amplify benefits. Flavor balance. Brewing at the right temperature avoids bitterness, while ingredients like honey or fruit enhance taste. Versatility. From classic hot tea to smoothies and savory dishes, these methods suit all tastes. Ideal for mornings, meals, or relaxing breaks. Tips for brewing green tea. Right use filtered or spring water. Avoid overly hard tap water that can affect the tea's delicate flavor. Steep between 170–185 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes to preserve aroma and avoid bitterness. Don't drink on an empty stomach. It can inhibit mineral absorption and cause digestive discomfort. Best enjoyed between meals or with light snacks. Limit to 1 to 2 cups per day for most people. Enjoyment ideas by time of day. Time suggested green tea variation. Morning green tea with lemon and honey or matcha latte. Midday, iced green tea infusion or smoothie snacks. Chai spiced blend or spiced hot tea. Evening warm matcha latte or soothing lemon honey tea. Light meal, chizuki rice bowl with savory toppings. In short, green tea can be more than a plain brew. It's versatile, flavorful, and packed with wellness benefits. Whether you prefer it sweetened with honey and citrus, blended into smoothies, steeped with aromatic spices, or even infused into rice dishes, there's a green tea variation for every moment.